All right, first step that I do is check my widths and my length. Once I have the dimension sizes, I'm gonna check it on the foundation that we're gonna be building. So I'll get Greg to help me here. That's perfect. Let's check that one first. So our width matches up. So now we're gonna check our lengths. Yep, we're good here. Bang on. So when you're measuring doors, you want to check your drawings and make sure you have the proper width because we offer many different doors, different styles. Just make sure that it fits the drawings that you have and the door that you have. And you also want to check your door drop and make sure that is accurate as well. Now we're going to check our corner to corner to make sure that the foundation is square. (21 3/4). (21 3/4). So our foundation dimensions are plumb or level, and now I'm going to check for plumb, level, and square. So we know it's square. So I'm just going to go around and check that we're all level. And we're right within our requirements.